back to Wild Apple Homestead. Today I'm baking the base cake for Callan's birthday. It's a white velvet cookies and cream cake made completely from scratch. It's rich, soft, and perfect for soccer cupcakes, and a jungle themed cake we'll be decorating soon. So let's get started.
This cake starts with simple, clean ingredients: all-purpose flour, egg whites, butter, and a touch of organic raw cane sugar. I'm using a classic white velvet base, rich from butter, light from egg whites, and made even better with a good splash of vanilla. Once the batter is smooth, I fold in homemade chocolate cookie crumbs. These are crisp, cocoa rich, and naturally sweetened, like a refined sugar-free Oreo. The cookie pieces stay crunchy inside the cake, giving you that cookies and cream bite in every slice. I divide the batter between 2 cake pans and smooth the tops. You can also use the same batter for cupcakes. I made a batch for Callan's soccer team as well. Then they go into a 325-degree oven until golden at the edges and fully set. About 25 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of your pan. Once baked, let them cool completely before stacking or decorating. I like to wrap mine and chill overnight. Makes them easier to handle when it's time to frost.
The cakes are baked and smell amazing. Next up, I'll be making a thick white chocolate ganache for filling and a white chocolate cream cheese frosting for the crumb coat on the cake. Plus, I will be decorating the soccer cupcakes for the team. Subscribe so you don't miss that part, and I'll see you on the next video.